Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thanks for clicking my video. My name is Jaita and friends call me Rima. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I have turned my son's old toy into a beautiful terrazzo style candle holder. In this video, I have made two types of candle holder, one for tea light candle holder and second is stick candle holder. But before moving to that video, if you like my video and if you like DIY and decoration types video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Your support means a lot to me, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more upcoming DIY videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To make this candle holder, I'm using some white cement, old toy, a plastic bottle for the mold, knife, and a scissor. At first, I'm cutting the bottle into my desired size with the help of the knife. I'm cutting one more plastic bottle for the delight candle holder using scissor. Now I am taking out all the plastic chips from the toys. I'm cutting those plastic flowers into small pieces. Now I'm mixing the cement with water. I'm mixing it properly. The consistency should be like a pancake type consistency. Now I'm adding all the plastic chips with the cement and giving it a good mix. Now put the cement inside the molds and dab the plastic molds properly to remove any excess air bubbles. I'm taking the candles and putting some oil the outer portion of the candles. It will prevent the candles from sticking, and putting it inside the cement. let it dry it for 24 hours. Cement is completely dried. Now I don't know why my candles stuck into that portion. So that's why I'm taking my knife and taking out all the candles. Now I am cutting the plastic and removing the plastic. Now I'm taking the sandpaper and sanding the candle holders properly. I sanded the candle holders for about 30 minutes to 1 hour to make the plastic chips popped up. And this is the final result, and it is looking so beautiful. I'm just loving this project. If you like this project, give a big thumbs up. And if you want to recreate this candle holders, make it, take a picture and tag me in my Instagram page. I will love to see those pictures from you guys. See you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.